best art you make today is already in your kitchen. I was just walking by the counter and saw these oranges. The color hit me first and then the texture. I grabbed one and brought it over to the scanner. I set it down slow, let the light pass under it, and moved it just a bit each time. You can see every mark, every little shift. It feels calm, like you're drawing with light instead of a pen. This is why I keep coming back to this kind of work. You don't need much, just time, a bit of care, and things that catch your eye. It could be fruit, leaves, paper, anything you have near you. The fun part is seeing how it changes once the light moves across it. Have you ever looked at something so simple and thought, what else could this be? I love how this slows me down. I get to try things, mess them up, try again, and find new looks each time. There's so much more room to play and still feel like you've made something real. That's a part of it too. You get to enjoy the moment, not just the end. Thank you for staying with me here until the end. Leave a comment and tell me what I should scan next. Okay, bye.